Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today I have hairstyles that are featuring the tapper, the twa, the body and boys cut. So you can see this haircut. This coils is achieved by using the MIELLE coils, which is $12 in the market. You can order online or you can get it from any barber shop you know. Apart from that, also you can get it from Alibaba, Amazon, AliExpress, and any online platform. So I would like you guys to just book for the real kit because that's what is used to achieve the scores. And apart from that, we also use the sponge comb which you use in achieving the coils on top. So you can see, I would like you guys to also try using the best developer. Either use a temporary color to achieve those beautiful cord, because one thing with tapper has always been trendy and popular, and one thing with tapper haircut is that for you to have this gorgeous tapered, your hair should always be longer. Excuse me please. Your hair should always be longer at the top and shorter on the sides and back, and the top should always be around 2 to 4 inches longer than the rest of the hair. You know, this hairstyle you see has more hair like on the sides, you know. And one thing with this kind of hairstyle is that they are haircut that will always make you look beautiful, that will always make you look gorgeous. So these hairstyles you can see are styled in different ways, and you can sometimes use some beautiful color highlights like this beautiful pink on your screen is a very cool color that will make you look cool. And this kind of style and color is for you because you can go for a variety, of course, to have this kind of unique style and even change up this kind of look. So you can see, don't shy away from both colors like this because sometimes they will always make you look classy, they will always make you look timeless, and you should always opt for different designs and colors that will always enhance your look and your skin. Make sure to always keep the hair wrapped in a silk bonnet like during the night. It will always help to preserve oil and retain water content, and giving your hair that moisturized and effortless look you want. So you can see this ties like this teeny weeny afro are a much smaller version of an afro. You know, the shorter length is usually more manageable compared like to a tapered natural hair, and it's a simple style that always requires that very little maintenance. So regular styling of this hair can always, will not take much time, and you can see it's a beautiful perfect haircut that will always prefer you using the right shea butter like the coconut oil, or even a coiling cream like the MIELLE product, the coconut oil, and using your sponge comb that will help you with really define the coils, So adding this kind of undercut to your top part will help your hair look great and give you that beautiful look you want. So let me allow you guys to check out those beautiful haircuts that are lovely and gorgeous, and they are styles that will always be easy to style and will always make you look moisturized by using the right product. So God bless you guys, and still look for the start for more beautiful short haircuts come your way.
I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. never gives to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you helping me. You deserve. He never gives to you. He never gives to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you helping me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than He never gives to you. He never gives to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you helping me. You deserve. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you helping me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than He never gives to you. He never gives to you. You deserve more than I can